Hi, Vince.
Hi, Mom.
Yes. Okay, Vince, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Uh, I'm very happy to see you again. How are you, Vince?
I'm fine.
Uh, what did you do on weekends or over the weekends? Mm-hmm. Did you go somewhere, Vince, or you just stay at your house?
I play.
You play. Okay. And did you like it? Did you enjoy?
Yes, Mom.
Ah, okay. So Vince, did you also eat your lunch?
Yes.
Ah, that's good. All right. So, can you tell me, Vince, the things that we had last time? Can you still remember? Uh-huh. Vince, what did we have last time? We had we had practiced what? We had practiced mul multiplication. Okay, Vince?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, and today we will still practice multiplication. Okay, Vince?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, and are you ready now?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so we will continue the worksheet that is multiplication with arrays. So we are in worksheet number 1. Okay, so look at number 1, Vince. Let's practice first. Okay. Oh, here. Number 1. How many bugs are there? Vince, look at the picture. How many bugs are there?
8.
8. Good job. There are 8 bugs. And what is the equation? The equation is 4,
2.
4 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, okay? 4 times
Mom.
2. 1, 2. So the equation is 4
8.
times 2 equals 8. So all you have to do, Vince, is you will complete the equation, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so are you ready now? All right.
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, so let's go to the second one. So please complete the equation, Vince. What is that? What's the answer? Mm-hmm. Box. Okay. Read the equation, Vince. 1
1
times. Mm-hmm.
times
Okay, 1 times
4.
equals.
4.
Okay, good job. So how many fish are there, Vince? How many fish are
4.
there? Yes, there are 4 fish. Okay, next. What about this? Okay, complete the equation, Vince. Ready? Start. Okay, it's the answer for that. All right. Read now, Vince. 3. Oh, okay. 3 times.
3 times 3 equals 9.
Okay, correct. 3 times 3 equals 9. So how many bees are there, Vince?
9.
Okay, there are 9 bees. Next. Correct? This one? What's the answer? Okay, go Vince. You can do it. Those are starfish. Yes. Okay, read. 5
5
times 5
times 5
equals
equals
10.
10.
Okay, your answer is correct. 5 times 5. Oh, okay, not 5 times 5. Your answer is 5, Vince, this one? Oh, sorry. Okay, I thought it's 5. Okay, I was wrong. All right, read Vince again. 5 times 2
5 times 2 equals
equals.
6.
Okay, correct. So that's 5. 5 here and 2 columns. Okay, 1, 2. So 5 times 2. Good job, Vince. Next. Okay, here. How many horses are there? Complete the equation first. Okay. No, Vince? Oh, there. Okay. You can say it, Vince, if you want. Oh, what's the answer, Vince? Mm-hmm. Okay, read now. 2
2
times 2.
times 2 equals 4.
Okay, so there are how many horses, Vince?
4.
4 horses. Okay, how about here? Last one. This. What is the equation for this? Okay. All right. Read 2 times
2 times
3 equals.
6.
Okay, how many frogs, Vince? How many frogs are there?
6.
Okay, 6 frogs. Good job, Vince. All of your answers are correct. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay, now Vince, ready for the second worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, here we go. Okay, ready, Vince? Go. Complete the equations. Okay, what is the equation, Vince? Say it,
4.
Vince. Okay, 3 times.
3 times 4 equals 12.
Okay, correct. Next, this. Okay, 5.
5 times 3 equals 15.
Okay, how many fish are there, Vince?
15.
Okay, 15 fish. Thank you. Next, this one. What's the answer for that? Okay. Go, Vince. Okay, read. 3.
3 times 6 equals 18.
Okay, how many bees are there?
18.
Okay, 18, correct. Next, starfish. Okay, that's 2 times, oh, 2 times 1? Okay. All right, 2 times, ready?
2 times 7 equals 14.
Okay, correct. This one, horses. Okay, complete the equation first. Okay. All right, so read 4 times.
4 times 4 equals 16.
Okay, that's right, 16. And then last one. This one, Vince. Okay, 2 times. Okay, read 2
5.
times 5.
2 times 5 equals 10.
Okay, correct. Good job, Vince. All of your answers are correct. Thank you, Vince. Okay, there you go. Good job. Let's try to see the next one. Okay. Multiplication sentences. Let's just see if we're done with this. Oh, we're done with this already. Also, the Aries. Okay, 1 second. We're done with 1 and 2. Let's try to see what we can do, Vince. Also, rows and columns. Okay, multiplication tables. Okay, let's try this one. Multiplication tables. Okay, Vince?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I think this is easy for you. We had this last time, but another worksheet. So we use another worksheet. So try, Vince. Multiplication tables 2 and 3. Number 1, 2 times 3 equals. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. That's correct. Number 2, 3 times 2. Okay, you can say it, Vince, if you want. You can say it directly.
9.
Oh, 3 times 2? 9? No, not 9. Look at number 1. They're just the same. The answer
6.
is, okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3, that's 9. But 3 times 2, that's 6. Next, 7 times 2. Okay. Okay, correct. 14. Now say this one. Number 4. 9 times 2. What's the answer, Vince? 9 times 2.
18.
Okay, 18. That's correct. What about 9 times 3? If 9 times 2 is 18, how about 9 times 3? That is? Okay, go Vince. 9 times 3. Mm-hmm. 9, 9, 9. So what's the answer? Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? 9 times 3. Oh, 9 plus 9, that's 18. And then 18 plus 9, Vince. 18 plus 9. What's the answer? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Go, Vince. Okay. 9 times 3, Vince, is 18. 9 times 2, 18. Add 9 because that's 9 times 3. That is 18. Uh-huh.
7.
Okay, that's correct. 27. Okay. Number 6, Vince. 7 times 3. Okay. Number 6. What is 7 times 3? Okay, correct. 21. Number 7. 2 times 2. Okay, correct. 8. Okay, 4 times 3, Vince. Okay, correct. Oh, number 9, Vince. 5 times 3. Okay, that's very good. 15. Okay. How about number 10, Vince? Read first, Vince, number 10. 6. 6 times 2. 6.
6 times 2 equals 12.
Okay, correct. 6 times 2 equals 12. Number 11, Vince. Okay, 1 second. Okay, there. Number 11. What is 3 times 3? Mm-hmm. Okay, correct. Number 12. 8 times 3. Okay. Okay. So 8 times 2, Vince, that is, what's the answer for 8 times 2? That's 16 plus 8 because it's 8 times 3. The answer is okay,
Napa?
24. Okay, Vince, read number 12. 8 times 3. Okay, Vince.
Seryoso
Oh,
ka ganina.
let's read number 12, Vince. 8 times 3
8 times 3
equals
equals
24.
4.
Okay.
24.
Yes. Next, Vince. 6 times 3. Number 13. Okay. Go, Vince. 6 times 3. Okay, that's correct. Number 14. Oh, very easy. Number 14, Vince. Okay. Number 15. Okay, 4 times 2, 8. 16. Still very easy. Number 16. Okay, 2. 1 times 3, 2. Okay, not 2, Vince. 1 times 3 is... Okay, 1 times 3 is... Okay, the answer is 3. Good. Number 17. 8 times 2. Oh. Okay. 8 times 2. Or that's 16. Number 18. 5 times 2. Okay, correct. 10. What about 4 times 2? Okay, 4 times 2, Vince?
8.
Okay, the same as 20. 4 times 2?
8.
Okay, 8. All right. So this time, Vince, since you know the answer already, I'm going to ask you again and then you say the answers directly. Okay, Vince? Okay, Vince, 1 times 2.
2.
Okay. 1 times 3.
3.
Okay, 8 times 3. Uh-huh. 8 times 3, Vince? That's 20.
4.
Okay, 24. What about 5 times 2?
10.
Okay. 4 times 2?
8.
Okay. 3 times 3?
9.
9. 4 times 2?
8.
6 times 2? That's 6 times 2.
16.
16? Ooh.
12.
Okay, the answer is 12. All right, good job, Vince. So we just have to master the answers, especially if the value of the number is higher than 5, okay? All right, there you go. Good job, Vince. So ready for the next worksheet, Vince? Worksheet number 2? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so let's go to multiplication worksheet number 2. So that's the first thing you'll do, Vince. If you like, you can write. After that, I will ask you again orally, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so try number 1. Start. 6. Okay, 6 times 2. Okay, Vince, read so you can remember the answer as well. 6 times 2.
6 times 2 equals 12.
Correct. Number 2. 8 times 3. Okay.
Suluto mo di ba gana? 8 times 3 equals 24.
What's the answer, Vince? Go, Vince. 8 times 3. All right. Oh, now you read, Vince. 8 times
8 times 3 equals 24.
Okay, so the answer is 24. Next, number 3, Vince. 6 times 3. Mm-hmm.
18.
Okay, 6 times 3, Vince. That's 6 times 2. Look at number 1. 6 times 2 is 12. What about 6 times 3? Oh, you just add 6 here because it's 6 times 3. 12 plus 6, that's okay. Read, Vince. 6 times 3
6 times 3
equals.
equals 18.
Okay, correct. Ready, Vince? I'll ask you. Vince, what is 6 times 2?
12.
Okay, 8 times 3? 20.
4.
Okay, 6 times 3?
18.
Okay, correct. 18. Number 4. 4 times 2?
8.
Okay, 8. Correct. Number 7. Number 5. 7 times 2?
14.
Correct. 2 times 2? Number 6.
4.
Okay, correct. Number 7. 7 times 3? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at number 5. 7 times 2? 14. What about 7 times 3?
21.
Go, Vince. Okay, 21. Correct. 5 times 3? Mm-hmm. 5 times 3 is? Okay. 15. Correct. Good job, Vince. Okay. So let's practice again. Vince, 5 times 3?
15.
15. 7 times 3? 'That's 20.
1.
Okay, 7 times 2? That's
14.
14. That's correct. So, Vince, that is all for this session. I will call you again and wait for my call. Okay, Vince, we will continue at number 9. Okay, Vince? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry, we will still practice. Okay. Bye, Vince. Wait for my call.